Hello and welcome to EMS for SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks. In this video, I will explain to you how to access EMS Demo Viewer. What is EMS Demo Viewer? EMS Demo Viewer is a library of predefined models that will help you to learn the product based on your application. To access EMS Demo Viewer, you need to go to Tools, EMWorks Products, EMS Demo Viewer. Once you click on the Demo Viewer, you're going to come up with a new application that contains a library of predefined models and tutorial examples that you can access to learn the product. For example, the Demo Viewer always starts with a Getting Started lesson. The Getting Started lesson contains text-based tutorial as well as some recorded videos that help you to learn the product. For example, if you're interested in knowing about motors, generators, and actuators, you can click the following heading and you can browse through the library of models that we have. For example, if you would like to access, say, a switch reluctance motor, you can come to the respective model here. You can click on it and then you can open. EMS automatically opens the predefined model for you in SOLIDWORKS. Now you can go to the EMS tab and see how the model has been set up, and you can run the model and study its results and so on. So this helps you to understand how to set up switch reluctance motor in EMS. Thank you for watching this video.